This is a mushroom and this is common, especially this spring season. And when there is raining, lightning, and thunderstorm, and there is this kind of mushroom is coming out. My husband, he find just now in our surroundings. This is very expensive and very tasty also, this kind of mushroom. Cooking now, pakora. Ito yung second batch. Ito yung first batch. At saka ito third batch. Hindi na pala ako magluluto ng ulam ngayon kasi yung niluto ko kahapon na potatoes, carrots, fish curry ay meron pang natira. So, hindi na ako magluluto. And then, magluluto ako ng yung mushroom na kinuha ni Yakay sa surroundings. Kaya, tama na ito. Marami na ito. Itong, ulam namin. At saka, may nagbigay kahapon ng, yung curry. So, ayan, So, marami na ito. Kaya, ito lang pakulang lulutuin ko, pakura. At saka yung, yung chapati mamaya. Ito na lahat yung pakora. And then ito na pala yung mushroom, ganito yung ganito yung pag-slice. Tapos dapat hugasan ng husto 3 to 4 times tapos ibabad sa tubig para matanggal yung yung lupa. Kasi yung parang din mushroom din sa atin na kinukuha sa field, binubunot. Kung saan naka-attach itong mushroom o kaya kabote. Ayan. Marami na ito. Ang pagluto pala nito ay lang, simple lang. Magpainit lang ng kunting mantika. Tapos lagyan ng asin at saka yung chili powder. Tapos siya, dry lang ang pagluto. Walang sabaw. So tama na itong aming pang-ulam. May natira pa kahapon. Then yung curry, so alhamdulillah pwede na, may rice na ako kahapon, and then magagawa na pala ako ng ng chapati. So ayan. Ito na yung mushroom. Kugot, what you call this? Kuguti? Kugot in Urdu, this one in Pari.
Pari, kuguti.
Kuguti in Pari, in Urdu.
Urdu pata nahi kya.
Same maybe, bas mushroom. Mushroom. In our language is ohong, Tagalog, or kabote. Mashallah. Only chili powder and salt and little oil. Ayan. Mushroom in tawa. Kung saan ako nagluluto ng chapati dito rin. Kasi parang frying pan din ito. Ayan. This is a very expensive kind of mushroom. I think 1 kilogram is, how much 1 kilogram this one?
16,000.
Navy. 3,000, 2,000. I don't know how much because we did not buy mushroom because only in spring season we can find here in field or in surroundings. Mushroom in tawa or frying pan. Pag naluto ito, konti na lang. Only 3 ingredients: oil, salt, and chili powder. Mushroom in pan or in tawa where I'm cooking this chapati. Just only 3 ingredients: little oil, chili powder, and salt. No need to add water here. Must be dry this one. Ayan, ready na din ang chapati, pakora, at saka bumili si Fahad ng parang bread. Masarap ito pang open fasting. Ayan. And dates, fruit chat, and sharbat o kaya juice. Roapsa ito. Ito yung common na sharbat dito. Ayan. Today is 16th days of Ramadan fasting. Alhamdulillah for all the foods. Ayan, 10 pieces na 12 pieces pala itong ginawa kong chapati. At saka yung ulam namin, yung kahapon, yung peas, potatoes, carrots curry, at saka may curry din, at saka yung mushroom. So, ayan.